Serverless architecture is all the rage at the moment, and for good reason. It is the future of cloud computing. Its event-driven model is bound to change how we offer services online forever. All you need to do is provide your code and let AWS worry about applying operating system patches and scaling your infrastructure. While this is hassle-free, the best part is that you only pay for when your code runs or somebody visits your website. Offering a service that might not get that many hits does no longer require expensive upfront infrastructure that sits there mostly idling. Equally, should your service go viral overnight, the same setup will scale virtually infinitely thanks to AWS's back-end resources. This removes the barrier to entry in getting a service to the market for large enterprises and small startups alike, as you no longer have to pay for the expensive infrastructure and AWS will take care of the scaling for you. Amazon Web Services have been the leading cloud provider for many years now, so it's advantageous to align yourself with the industry leader. However, there are many serverless courses out there in the market that only tackle AWS Lambda and fail to mention all the other services that make up AWS's serverless infrastructure. This course, however, tackles the full serverless application model, including AWS Lambda to run your code in a serverless environment, the AWS API Gateway, a serverless API front-end for your services, AWS S3, the simple storage service, which provides a serverless object store for anything that you need to store, AWS Athena, an interactive query service for any data that you might have stored in S3, AWS Kinesis, a service that lets you analyze real-time streaming data to get quick insights, AWS Glue, a serverless ETL, extract, transform and load service that lets you extract your data in the cloud for further analysis, and lastly, AWS's DynamoDB, a fully managed serverless NoSQL database in the cloud. With this much content in this course spread over 5 lessons, you'll position yourself with the leading cloud provider at the top of the field in the next big game changer in IT. In this title, we're going to dive into the pros and cons of serverless architecture with AWS and explore the different services offered to support a serverless environment. We'll discover different approaches to deploy and maintain serverless applications and tackle key concepts with hands-on exercises using real-world examples. We're going to look at the differences between traditional and serverless web applications, and most importantly, we're going to explore best practices to ensure security, high availability, reliability, and scalability. The examples will be in Node.js and the code will be provided, so don't worry, you don't need any prior programming experience or AWS experience, although of course it comes in handy. Now, whether you've already embarked on your serverless journey or you're right at the beginning, this course is designed to take you from wherever you are and accelerate you quickly right to the top of working with serverless applications. This course is the perfect foundation to enable you to revolutionize your existing IT infrastructure to the cutting edge of serverless cloud computing.